There are places on Earth so breathtaking, so unforgettable, that seeing them once can stay with you for the rest of your life. From tropical islands and ancient cities to dramatic mountains and magical landscapes, these are the destinations travelers dream about. Welcome to HotelCompareNow Travel, where we explore the world's most beautiful destinations and help travelers plan unforgettable journeys. Have you ever felt it? That quiet but persistent whisper calling you to explore beyond the familiar horizon? It's a feeling woven into our very DNA, a timeless human desire to see what lies over the next hill, across the next ocean. The world is full of extraordinary places waiting to be discovered, each holding a unique story and a different kind of magic. Some destinations ignite a fire within us, challenging us to climb higher, delve deeper, and embrace the thrill of adventure. They push our boundaries and reward us with perspectives we never thought possible. Others offer a profound sense of peace and beauty beyond imagination, wrapping you in a tranquil embrace that quiets the mind and soothes the soul. These are the places where you can truly disconnect from the noise of daily life and reconnect with yourself. And some destinations simply remind us, with breathtaking clarity, how incredibly diverse and wondrous our planet truly is. From ancient cities humming with centuries of history to natural marvels sculpted by time itself. These are more than just spots on a map. They are experiences that shape us, memories that last a lifetime, and stories we'll tell for years to come. In this video, we'll embark on a grand tour to explore 12 such bucket list destinations, each a world-renowned treasure that everyone should experience at least once in their lifetime. We believe that travel should be accessible, and the first step to any great journey is planning. If one of these incredible places inspires your next trip, we've made it easier for you to turn that dream into a reality. You can compare travel prices for flights, hotels, and car rentals, and find the best deals available using the trusted travel links in the description below. It's your one-stop resource for building the perfect itinerary without the stress, ensuring you get the most value out of your adventure. So, pack your sense of wonder and get ready to be inspired. Our journey to the most beautiful corners of the earth begins now. Let's begin the journey. Our journey begins on an island that feels like it was plucked from a dream. Destination 1: Santorini, Greece. It's a place that truly feels like stepping into a postcard, a crescent-shaped jewel forged by a cataclysmic volcanic eruption thousands of years ago. Perched high above the deep blue Aegean Sea, this legendary Greek island is world-famous for its whitewashed, blue-domed villages that cling precariously to dramatic cliffs. The stark white of the architecture against the sapphire water creates a visual symphony that has captivated artists and travelers for centuries. But the magic of Santorini extends far beyond its breathtaking views. It's found in the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes, the salty tang of fresh feta, and the warmth of local hospitality in a family-run taverna. It's the simple pleasure of getting lost in a labyrinth of cobblestone alleys, discovering hidden chapels, and charming boutiques around every corner. The island invites you to explore its unique coastline, from the fiery red sands of Red Beach to the volcanic black pebbles of Parissa. Taking a boat tour into the caldera offers a completely different perspective, allowing you to swim in natural hot springs and gaze up at the towering cliffs you once stood upon. The clear waters are teeming with life, a vibrant world hidden just beneath the surface. And then, there is the sunset. As the day draws to a close, crowds gather in the village of Oya for the daily spectacle. Walking through its narrow streets as the sun sinks below the horizon, casting a golden and crimson glow across the sky, is a truly communal and unforgettable experience. It's a moment of shared wonder that stays with you long after you've left its shores. Our next destination is the very definition of paradise on Earth, the Maldives. This stunning archipelago, a collection of over 1,000 coral islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, is a sanctuary of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Here the world seems to slow down, painted in brilliant shades of turquoise and white. The iconic overwater villas, perched on stilts above crystal-clear waters, offer a unique connection to the ocean, where you can wake up to the gentle sound of lapping waves and watch tropical fish swim beneath your feet. But the true magic of the Maldives lies just below the surface. It's a world-class destination for diving and snorkeling, inviting you to explore a kaleidoscope of marine life. Imagine swimming alongside majestic sea turtles, gentle manta rays, and schools of impossibly colorful fish that dart through intricate coral gardens. It's an immersive experience that feels like entering another dimension. Whether you spend your days exploring this underwater wonderland, indulging in a spa treatment with an ocean view, or simply watching a spectacular sunset paint the sky from the deck of your villa, the Maldives offers a profound sense of peace. It's more than a vacation, it's a dream brought to life, a place that truly allows you to disconnect and rediscover serenity. Hidden in the heart of the Canadian Rockies lies one of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in North America. Banff National Park is a world of turquoise lakes, towering peaks, and pristine wilderness. Standing beside Lake Louise, surrounded by mountains reflected in the water, feels almost unreal. Bali blends natural beauty with rich culture and spirituality. From lush rice terraces and jungle waterfalls to ancient temples and vibrant beach towns, the island offers a unique mix of relaxation and adventure. Italy's Amalfi Coast is one of the most scenic coastlines in the world. Colorful villages cling to dramatic cliffs above the Mediterranean Sea, while winding roads reveal breathtaking views at every turn. If these destinations spark your next adventure, subscribe to HotelCompareNow Travel for more inspiration. Before you book, visit HotelCompareNow.com to compare hotels, flights, cars, and tours. Find the best deals. Kyoto offers a glimpse into Japan's timeless traditions. Ancient temples, peaceful gardens, and historic streets create an atmosphere of quiet beauty. During cherry blossom season, the city transforms into a breathtaking sea of pink blossoms. The Swiss Alps are among the most spectacular mountain landscapes on Earth. Snow-covered peaks, alpine villages, and scenic train journeys make Switzerland a dream destination for travelers who love nature. Dubai is a city where futuristic ambition meets luxury travel. From the towering Burj Khalifa to golden desert landscapes and world-class resorts, Dubai offers unforgettable experiences. Bora Bora in French Polynesia is one of the most romantic destinations in the world. Its turquoise lagoon and iconic overwater bungalows create the ultimate tropical escape. Cappadocia looks like another planet. At sunrise, hundreds of colorful hot air balloons rise above surreal rock formations, creating one of the most magical travel scenes in the world. High in the Andes Mountains lies one of the greatest wonders of the ancient world. Machu Picchu is an extraordinary blend of history, mystery, and breathtaking scenery. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth and one of the most vibrant ecosystems on the planet. Exploring its colorful underwater world reveals an incredible diversity of marine life. The world is filled with extraordinary places waiting to be explored. From tropical islands to ancient cities and breathtaking natural wonders, these bucket list destinations remind us how beautiful our planet truly is. If this video inspired your next trip, subscribe to HotelCompareNow Travel and discover more incredible destinations. Before you book, visit HotelCompareNow.com to compare the best deals. Your next adventure starts now.